You ask your child to put away their toys. No response. You ask again. Still nothing. Finally, you raise your voice. And suddenly, they listen. You might think, my child only listens when I yell. But what if I told you, yelling isn't teaching your child to listen? It's teaching them to wait until you get angry. Today, let's understand the real psychology behind why children don't listen, and what actually works. The biggest myth. Many parents believe their child ignores them on purpose. But most of the time, they aren't being disrespectful. Their brain is simply still developing. The part of the brain responsible for self-control, attention, and following instructions isn't fully mature until the mid-20s. That means young children often struggle to stop what they're doing and switch their attention immediately. It's not stubbornness. It's brain development. Meet Sarah. Every evening she asked her 4-year-old son, "Come brush your teeth." Nothing happened. She repeated herself. Again. And again. Eventually she shouted. Only then did he come. She believed yelling was the only thing that worked. But a child psychologist noticed something interesting. Her son wasn't ignoring her. He was deeply focused on building a tower with blocks. His brain wasn't refusing. It simply hadn't shifted attention yet. The problem wasn't disobedience. It was attention. What actually works? Instead of shouting from another room, walk closer. Get down to your child's eye level. Say their name first. Ollie. Wait until they look at you. Then give one simple instruction. Not 5. Instead of saying, clean your room, wear your shoes, bring your bag and hurry up. Say, please put your toys in the basket. One instruction. One step. Children process simple directions much better. Another powerful trick. Offer choices. Instead of, brush your teeth now. Try, do you want the blue toothbrush or the green one? Children love feeling in control. And when they feel respected, they're much more likely to cooperate. Remember, connection comes before correction. When children feel emotionally safe, their brain becomes more open to learning. Fear may create obedience for a moment, but connection creates cooperation for life. That's the real secret behind gentle parenting. The next time your child doesn't listen, pause before assuming they're being difficult. Ask yourself, is my child refusing? Or is their developing brain simply overwhelmed? Small changes in the way we communicate can completely change the way our children respond. Because raising emotionally healthy children starts with understanding how their minds really work. If you enjoy learning the psychology behind children's behavior, subscribe for more videos that help you parent with confidence, not fear. Remember, every big human was once a tiny human. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on child psychology and gentle parenting. Thanks for watching.